Okay, let's start. How we can print reversed array in Python. We can see with function and without function here. First we can see with function. Def reverse array. Why we can use def function? Because of it can define the function or function name. That's why we can use def function. Here n is equal to int of input something. Why? Because of it can collect the data from the user and then convert into integers by using this. Here array is equal to list of map of int comma input and something. Why? Because of it can collect the array elements from the user. Okay, and then split into individual parts by using this split function, and then you convert into integers and then store it to list. Okay, here after that print array, after this process completed, then print the array. Okay, this array is equal to arr is equal to arr of -1 by, because of it is the slicing. -1 means reverse slicing. That's why we can print reversed array and print. Okay, let's run. Array size we can give 3, 4. It can give reversed array. Okay, next it is also same, but we cannot use this def function. It can reverse, it can call the function. We cannot give here function, that is called without function, and I can give you explanation for this. You can see here to reversed array, and you can see explanation for this also. Something is okay, you can see explanation and code.